How to find missing folder. In Outlook, open Microsoft Outlook and go to your mailbox where the folder is missing. Expand your email account by clicking the small arrow to show all folders. Scroll carefully through the list to see if the folder is hidden in a collapsed section. Check the deleted items folder because the missing folder may have been moved there. Right? Click the deleted items folder and restore it if you find your folder inside. Use the search bar and type the folder name to quickly locate it. Look in the archive or online archive section where older folders may be stored. Right? Click your account name and refresh the folder list to update everything. Check the junk email folder in case the folder was moved there by mistake. Review your view settings and reset them if folders are not showing properly. Make sure you are checking the correct email account. If you use more than one, log in to Outlook on the web and check if the folder appears there. Restart Outlook to fix temporary glitches that may hide folders. Repair or re-add your email account if the folder is still not visible. Thank you for watching.